Tech sector panic hits as Nvidia and AMD stumble on China headlines. Are investors dumping world-class chipmakers based on emotion rather than logic? Massive investment cycles keep cranking up, so the story isn't over yet.
OpenAI-driven demand. How much is this AI narrative exposed to China policy headlines?
John, I think this is a complete overreaction. Let's take Nvidia as an example. Nvidia zeroed out all revenue for China going forward. They just zeroed it out in all of their forecasts. But this is a left brain emotional reaction. I mean, listen, I understand companies like Apple, who quite frankly do most of their manufacturing in China and a little bit in India, but Nvidia and even AMD in particular make absolutely no sense.
Well, how much of this might be about the optimism that it takes from businesses, global businesses, to keep fueling this massive investment cycle? I mean, you've got as good a perspective as anybody on how this lines up on previous technology infrastructure cycles. It's been a long time since we've seen anything close to it, right?
I mean, John, I've never seen anything like this. So this even eclipses .com. I do think with the run-up of so many stocks in the ecosystem, whether it was cloud service providers, chip companies, and everybody in between, it's getting so hot that the market was looking for any reason to sell off. And I think they found it. And I also think we can't just dismiss the shutdown. I think all of this is risk, even though right brain, it doesn't make sense for tech. I would understand if we were going into a true trade war with Taiwan. Now that would be very, very difficult, where most of the leading edge chips that are used in hyperscalers are all made in Taiwan. But we're talking about China, that sure, they do manufacture smartphones and PCs, but not leading edge chips.